It's Tuesday, November 4th. Just brought some Meta 650 puts here at 1980. We're going to see now if this, after this red bar form. So we came up in the first, try to break above the first bar high, way below the midpoint of the prior day. Then I'm kind of judging if we're going to get a kind of a green to red move. We had that here, a little green start back up to make a secondary push, and then the red bar form. So I want to buy some puts here and see if we can attack the midpoint of this first bar and the lows of the day. In the big picture, we have come down. If I can look at the daily chart, obviously gap down after earnings, we're continuing lower. So there's a little bit of a short-term exhaustion risk, but I still think we need to take out this pivot right in here. We just missed it, a little below the 620 area. So there's still room to run a little lower, even though we're at exhaustion risk going down 1, 2, 3, 4 bars after earnings. But I kind of like, the way it's failing today on the 15-minute chart for its secondary push to the upside. If it would have been a big bounce area, it would have continued probably on this bar. Instead, the red bar forms. So I think we can start trying to work towards the lows of the day. There's enough volatility in here to, for some nice gains. And then we'll see, if we can break through the lows of the day. And I still think there's a little bit more of a target. Well, if I can spread it out like I showed you, let's look at the weekly chart. It's just a little bit more of a target down right into this area here, a little below 620 before it might want to reverse up. So on this stock, I'm still waiting for the weekly chart to turn green and start up before really being, excited to buy it. I think at some point buying will probably come in, just the high quality name, but you never know for sure. And at least for today, it looks like the, structure is going to continue a little bit lower after this big red bar form. So let's see if we can get, to the midpoint of this first bar, maybe even to the lows of the day.